Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert background color to table in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a page. Now we insert background color to a table. At first, create a table in this document. Go to the insert menu and click table option and create a table. Now we want to insert background color to this table. Select the whole table and click design menu and select the shading option and choose any color in this color panel. Now we can see here we inserted background color in this table. We change the color. Select and again click shading option and choose any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.